We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
So what? I keep it rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Watch it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Give me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them rolls down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the down with your bitch smoking green,
You know what? It's like I'm 17 again, bitch fuzz on my face. I'm looking on the case and trying to find a hell it takes. Oh my God, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, tipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Dipping like I'm dripping in paint. I'm up front, both fronts like a label with the weed.
So what we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
and I don't even care. Cause me and my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell them, Mac.
Blowing everywhere we going and now they know it when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up.
That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
And from the ground up, this pound up like Taylor Gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I can probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a science project, me and that kid.
Hey, yo, friends, is anybody in the house tonight living young, wild, and free? Wherever you are, sing the song. 1, 2, 3.
We get drunk.
Say what?
So what we smoke weed.
What you say?
We're just having fun.
And we don't care who
sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Somebody hold me up one real quick. Come on, y'all.
Roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. So roll one, smoke one, and yo, we all just having fun. So we just roll one, smoke one. When we all like this, it's supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun.
So what we get drunk, so what we smoke weed. We're just having fun, and we don't care who sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
So what we do? So what we smoke weed. We're just having fun.